Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss legend and grid in Matplotlib. So let's get started. Guys, we can use plt.legend command to insert a legend on a plot. And the legend appears within the plot area, and by default it appears in the upper right corner. The plt.legend command accepts a list of strings and optionally accepts a log argument to specify the legend location. So guys, now let's go ahead and we'll discuss the legend locations. Location 0 represents best position and 1 represents upper right, 2 represents upper left, 3 represents lower left, 4 represents lower right, and 5 represents right. Moving ahead guys, 6 represents center left, 7 represents center right, 8 represents lower center, 9 represents upper center, and 10 represents center. Now guys, let me open up the Jupyter notebook. Guys, to add legend in this plot, we need to use second plot function. And to use second plot function, we need two more lists here. So let's add two more lists. And this is y1. Now guys, I am going to copy this plot function and paste it here. Now I am changing the values of this plot function x1, y1, and I am changing the color here. Let's say it is red, and the label is let's say line 2. Now let's add the legend. Now guys, if I run this script, we will get the plot like this. And now guys, if we change the position of this legend, log equals to let's say 3, and hit run, then this legend will be here. And now let's change the value of this location once again. Let's say 7, and now if I run this, then it will be here. So I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward guys, the next topic is grid. So let's discuss it. A grid can be added to a Matplotlib plot by using the plt.grid command. By default the grid is turned off, and to turn on the grid we need to pass true in the plt.grid command. And there are only two options in the plt.grid command, true and false. So now guys, let me open up the Jupyter notebook where I will show you the use of plt.grid command. So guys, let's add the grid in this plot. Guys, now if I run this script, we will get the plot like this. So I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.